Welcome to Above Average Cocktails, where we teach you how to make high quality, tasty cocktails in your own home. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe for future recipes. Today, we're going to be making an old fashioned. I'm going to start with our bourbon, Buffalo Trace, quality bourbon for about $25 a bottle. Woodford works well, Maker's Mark works well. If you like rye whiskeys, I recommend the Bulleit Rye. Our bitters are orange Angostura bitters, a 16-ounce mixing glass. We need a spoon, brown sugar for our brown sugar simple syrup, an orange, and our Luxardo cherries. Alright, let's go make that simple syrup. Alright, to make the brown sugar simple syrup, it's going to be equal parts water and equal parts brown sugar. Very simple. We mix them together in a saucepan. We bring it over here. About medium heat to high heat is good. Just give it a nice stir so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. As soon as it's warm and all the sugar is dissolved, you'll know it's done. Now that this is complete, we're going to let it cool. And once it's cool, we'll be ready to make the old fashioned. So your brown sugar simple syrup is cooled and ready to go. It should have this nice opaque look. You should not be able to see through it. It should not be translucent or light brown. If it is, you probably didn't use enough brown sugar. So if it's that nice black color, you're ready to go. Now it's time to make our old fashioned. We're going to start with 2 ounces of the Buffalo Trace bourbon. 3 dashes of the orange Angostura bitters. 1/2 ounce of the brown sugar simple syrup. Now you can use a little bit more if you like yours sweeter, but I've noticed that 1/2 ounce seems to be the best measurement for this. Add our ice. And stir. About 20 to 25 times. So the bottom of the glass is nice and cold. Cocktail's been prepared. Now it's time to garnish. Get an orange for the orange zest. Gonna add it to the top of the drink, to the edge. Gives it a nice citrus smell while you're consuming it. I've got a Luxardo cherry to top her off. Aha, got him. Your old fashioned, guys. Cheers. See you next time.